So, today we are just going to be doing... Okay, yeah, I don't know what they're doing, but we're going to be finding all the fireworks into a tower defense. Why did I do that? Okay, boom, easy. Spawn and snowman firework. We gotta go over here for these extra ones. Give us the tree. There we go. That's no one. They're doing. There's no one playing. They're just doing their thing, you know. Find us firework, easy. Nope, robbed or blue. I do not want to touch your trade request, buddy. That's probably turn your trades off. Okay. I do won't be long, but this is just remember, guys, this is how to find all of the fireworks in the lobby and trading plaza. So you already know I've got to add the trading plaza. Okay, so here you can just do all this parkour or whatever. Oh no, I'm blue or red. Blue. There it is. I'm dead. Okay. I was just checking how many fireworks we have, guys, and yeah. Gotta go. Stop. Train plaza. Train plaza. Hey guys, if we just do that. Ooh, new reward. Hydro cameraman, and then we can New Year's toilet. I don't know how many have been claimed. Hot. Boom. Trade push. The railroad, I think? Yeah. We're going around, going around, going around. I know where a few are over here. So, if we just go over here. Bam. Go. Stop. Bam. Stop. I don't know what I'm doing here. This is just to show you how to get all of them. Is that all of them? Yes, it is. And guys, there is the locations. How to get all of them. I guess we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.